ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातन्नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातन्नमामि। ॐ श्रीहनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं। ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्रीतुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्रीतुलसीदासाय नमः। हरि ओम, a very warm welcome. Everybody is in absolute bliss. हरषि परस्पर मिलन हित कछुक चले भगमेल। जनु आनंद समुद्र दुई मिलत बिहाई सुबेल. Two huge clouds or two huge oceans as though coming together, and there is so much of joy. We saw that in the 305th Chaupai, continuing. Now you will see in this section how everybody is well treated and how everybody is again continuing to be absolutely in bliss. परशि सुमन सुर सुंदर गावही, मुदित देव दुंदुभि बजावही, वस्तु सकल राखी नृप आगे, विनय कीन्हि तिन अति अनुरागे। प्रेम समेत राय सबुलीन्हा, भय बकसीस जाचकनि दीन्हा, करि पूजा मान्यता बढ़ाई, जनवासे कहूँ चले लबाई। बसन विचित्र पावड़े परही, देखी धन दुधन मधु परिहरही, अति सुंदर दीन्हे जनवासा, जहाँ सब कहूँ सब भांति सुपासा। जानी सिय बरात पुर आई, कछु निज महिमा प्रगति जनाई, हृदय सुमिरि सब सिद्धि बोलाई, भूप पहुनई करन पठाई। सिद्धि सब सिय आय सुअकनी, गई जहाँ जनवास, लिए संपदा सकल सुख, सुरपुर भोग बिलास। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। Now see, while we are going through this, we must not just only read, or we must not only just looking at the video, all of you, just see and only listen, oh, like that. You must feel that in your heart. Every thought that is being given is so beautiful, and unless we feel and actually live that in your heart, it will be a marginal result. But when you feel that, you imagine that particular beautiful scenario what is being discussed, and also not only at the picture level but at the heart, within the heart. Oh, it is so beautiful. We will see. Barashi suman sura sundari gavahi. When all of them reach, celestial people, celestial damsels they call, rained flowers, and they sang loudly with such a beautiful voice. They also probably danced so much that there was joy within and all around. Mudita deva dundubhi bajavahi. All the devatas, they played kettle drums and all other instruments. We've been seeing this very often now, isn't it? वस्तु सकल राखी नृप आगे, विनय कीन्हि तिन अति अनुरागे. See, yesterday we saw there was one reception committee, and those people, they placed all the offerings that was sent by King Janaka in front of King Dasharatha, and requested affectionately, with love, not mechanically like one messenger coming or one office boy coming, this has been given to you, take it. Not that way. With so much of joy. It is not that they are acting in that way. It is the joy which is coming from the bosom of every single person's heart. That is the joy. Every member of that particular reception committee, we may say, and who are deputed, every one of them with full heart, from the bottom of the heart, they requested Raja Dasharatha to kindly accept all these beautiful gifts that has been given by Raja Janaka. Binayakinhi, with humble request, please take. Ati Anurage, with lot of love. प्रेम समेत राय सबुलीन्हा. With love, Dasharatha also received all of them with the same amount of emotion. Bhai bakasis jachakani dinha. And what did he do with that? See, yesterday also I made a mention. The expression of pure and deep love, uncontaminated love, and that love which does not ask anything from the other side, including love. My God. No demand of love, no demand of materials, nothing. It just love. And what does it do? The only expression of such a pure love is in giving, not in asking. Just give. Param Puja Gurudev Swami Chinmayanandaji would say, if the wealth what you have is not giving you joy, that transcendental joy, then what is the use of having? Give it away. And at the same time, when we give out of love, the joy multiplies by its own measure. Therefore, giving is a beautiful expression of inner love towards the other. And what did he do? Distributed all the offerings. Bhai bakasisa jachakanidina, even to all the lower middle class people. You call them beggars. I would not like to use that word, but what to do? Yachakaha, those people who are with asking for alms. He gave it to them, and along with it, he has also given it to his own people. Kari puja manyata badai. He, after offering, then all of them, kari puja. Kari puja here meaning what? They gave lot of joyful, homage to the king with reverence and with lot of courtesy. Janavase kahun chale lavaye. And after that, all those reception committee members who were deputed, they courted. Courted means what? They led, isn't it? Led all the bridegroom's party to their respective apartments, according to the rank, according to their status probably. Then you have the royal people, they are put into one place, ministers and other big officers into one place, common public into one place, and of course we saw Yachakani, all those people in another place. Like that, everybody were given place to stay. Basana bichitra pavadhe parahi. What is that? All were given lot of beautiful, gorgeous clothes. Like, I think I mentioned, when you go to a 5-star hotel, everything is beautifully placed. Right? Similarly, lot of beautiful place, lot of clothes and everything. The carpets were all very beautiful, very welcoming. And then the royal guests were treated much more, with lot of reverence and love and etc. Dekhi dhanadu dhana madhu pariharahi. Seeing which, even king, the lord of wealth, Kubera, the lord of wealth, he no longer had any pride in his wealth. Meaning what? That gorgeous was all the apartment that were given to all of them. Ati sundara dinevu janavasa. Very, very magnificent quarters. Beautiful quarters. Were given to the bridegroom's party. Bridegroom party meaning what? That particular family. Of the royal family. Jaha saba kahu saba bhati supasa. Which provided every kind of comfort to the guests. All kinds of comfort. Jani siya barata purai. Now Sitaji came to know. What? The bridegroom's party have already reached. The moment she came to know, Kachu Nija Mahima Pragati Janai, nobody knew that Sitaji had such very, very good powers. And what she do? Kachu Nija Mahima, she manifested some of her beautiful, what you call it as powers, glory of hers to a very small extent. And did what? Hridaya Sumiri Sabha Siddhi Bolai. From her heart of hearts, she remembered all the siddhis and requested them to come. Bhupa Pahunai Karana Pathai, and then told them, please make sure everything for everybody there must be absolutely perfect. These siddhis are a very, very powerful forces which at will can get everything done. At will. Just by the thought. That powerful are the siddhis. That is why it's called siddhi. And they sent, Sitaji sent all of them and make sure to take care especially of the king and the royal family and all the others too. Siddhi sabasiya aaya suvakani gayi jahan janavas. Now all the siddhis, they took the command from Sitaji and went towards the guests' apartments, whatever the guest tents or whatever, etc. Liye sampada sakala sukha surapura bhoga bilas. And they made sure with their own sankalpa all kinds of riches, comforts, everything, luxuries, enjoyments, food, whatever are available in the heaven, they made sure that everybody got all of them. Continuing, Nija Nija Basa Biloki Barati Sura Sukha Sakala Sulabha Sababhati Vibhava Beda Kachuko न जाना सकल जनक कर करहि बखाना सिया महिमा रघुनायक जानी हर्षे हृदय हेतु पहिचानी पितुआगमनु सुनत दो भाई हृदयन अति आनंदु अमाई सकुचन कहि न सकत गुरु पाही पितु दर्शन लालचु मन माही विश्वामित्र विनय बड़ी देखी उपजाउर संतोषु विशेषी हर्षि बंधु दो हृदय लगाए पुलक अंग अंबक जल छाये चले जहाँ दशरथु जनवासे मनहु सरोवर तके उपियासे भूप बिलोके जब ही मुनि आवत सुतन समेत उठे हर्षि सुख सिंधु महु चले था हसी लेत सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। निज निज बास बिलोकी बराती। Every member of the bridegroom's party found his own apartment, whatever has been allotted to them. Allotted in the sense, it is not that nameplate was kept or something. It is that this area is belong to this particular type of people. That area is belong to that type of people. So they found that whichever is their type, and then they all went and settled down. Vibhava Beda Kachu Kovu na jana. No one, not Kovu, not a single person would ever understand how this such a mystery has taken place, that every place was so splendorous. Is it Dasharatha's actual work, or is it some power? You can feel that power there. Sakala Janaka Kara Kara Hibakhana. But however, all of them praised Janaka. Why? Such a beautiful arrangement the Raja has done. But yes, Raja also has done certain arrangements, but it was enriched by the Sankalpa of Sitaji. Siya Mahima Raghunayaka Jani. Bhagavan Ramchandraji knew Sitaji's Mahima. Harashe Hridaya. He laughed inside, not outside. He laughed inside, meaning what? He enjoyed that particular bhavana of Sitaji. Harashe Hridaya Hetu Pahichani. Why? Because he understood the cause of this beautiful splendor, which is Sitaji's Sankalpa. Pitu Agamanu Sunata Do Bhai. When two brothers, who are they? Ramchandraji and Lakshmanji. When they came to understand that the father has come, Hridayana Ati Anandu Abhamai, their heart was overfilled with delight. Naturally, so many months, probably years, a year or more, would have taken them, having left the Ayodhya city, having come along with Vishwamitraji, so many days and months have passed. So now, Father has come. Oh, Ramchandraji and Lakshmanji, they were so delighted. They could not contain themselves. That joy is something which is very beautiful. I am sure most of you, if not this much joy, of course, this cannot be possible. But from our angle also, let us suppose our daughter has gone to another country on the other side of the globe, and for 2 years she could not come because of the pressure of work or something like that, and suddenly she finds time and she even does not inform. She quickly picks up flight and then lands, and then she taps the door and you open. What could be the joy of the parents, tell me? They were so happy that they could not contain themselves. Sakuchana kahina sakata guru pahi. But what did they do? They like like that. They did not scream or something. But the modesty, the culture, the way they have been raised, brought them first to the Guru. Think. First, they must have thought, Guru Sanidhya is there. Therefore, I should not overreact or delightfully jump or something like that. Therefore, they kept quiet. Vishwamitra Binaya Badi Dekhi. Vishwamitraji, he could see that Vinamrata, Vinayata, that modesty, that respect, that reverence. Vishwamitraji, naturally, Guru must know, isn't it? Guru will know. He may not express that he knows everything, but Guru, that is why he is Guru, you see. He will know by the very way you respond. Guru will actually find out what is there inside. Vishwamitra felt very, 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 very happy, very gratified in seeing this humility in both Ramchandraji and Lakshmanji. Upajavura santoshi biseshi. He could not stop himself. See, Vishwamitraji is not only a guru, he's a great master. But look at that joy which he experienced. He embraced both of them, Ramchandraji and Lakshmanji. Harashi bandhu do hridaya lagaye. And when he embraced both of them, it was like a shock wave which ran through his sharira. Pulaka anga ambaka jalachaye. The eyes shed tears of joy, and there was so much of joy in their heart. It is so difficult to express itself. Therefore, whenever you are unable to find words to express your emotion, the body helps us. It says, I will take care, and the tears would come. How beautiful! Chale jahan dasaratu janavase. Then all of them went to where Dasharatha's apartment was. Manahu sarobar take upiyase. And you know, very, very many times words seldom explain. You can't get words to speak. He says it is as though there was a very thirsty soul and suddenly he found a beautiful lake in front of him. How happy he would be. He was dying for water and there is a lake in front of him. That is how the feeling was. भूप बिलोके जब ही मुनि आवत सुतन समेत उठे हर्षि सुख सिंधु महु चले था हसी लेत. When Bhupa Bilokata, when he saw Ramchandra ji and Lakshman ji along with Vishwamitra ji, he was, his mind stopped. He could not, even blink his eyes. Avata Sutana Sameta, when he saw the two princes coming along with Vishwamitra ji, he rose from his seat in joy, advanced to meet them. He went forward to meet them. Chale tha hasi leta, like a man who ran to grab the water, the one who is very thirsty. Now we will see in the next Chaupai how beautiful was this Milana. Munihi Dandavat. Now see, I confess what? That very many times I also search for appropriate words because I also get choked. Because while I am reading, while I am speaking on that, I actually feel what is happening. Therefore, sometimes in that particular expression of love between two of them, I may choke a little. Please accept it. Munihi dandavata kina mahisa bar bar padaraj dhari sisa कौशिक रावुलिये उरलाई कही असीस पूछी कुशलाई पुनि दंडवत करत दो भाई देखि नृपति उर सुख न समाई सुत ही लाई दुसह दुख मेटे मृतक शरीर प्राण जनु भेटे पुनि वसिष्ठ पद सिरति ननाये प्रेम मुदित मुनि बर उरलाये विप्रबोंध बंदे दोहु बाई मन भावती असी से पाई भरत सहानुज कीन्ह प्रणामा लिए उठाई लाई उर रामा हर्षे लखन देखी दो भ्राता मिले प्रेम परिपूरित गाता पुरजन परिजन जाति जन जाचक मंत्री मीत मिले जथा विधि सब ही प्रभु परम कृपाल बिनीत सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. मुनि दंडवत कीन्हि महिषा. Then what did Dasharatha do? He offered his pranam, dandavata, dirgha danda pranama to sage Vishwamitra ji. बार बार पदरज धरिसीसा. And again he took the dust of its feet, of Vishwamitraji's feet, and kept it on his head again and again. Why? The joy, the gratitude, that feeling. Kausika Rauliye Uralai. Vishwamitraji lifted Dasharatji and again embraced him. Even Vishwamitraji was choking with love. What to talk of Dasharatji? Kahiya Sisa Puchi Kushalai. Then he took some breath and then asked him, Ayushman Bhava, Sarva Bhishta Siddhirastu. Like that, he blessed him and then asked him, Kushalam Va Puchi Kushalai. Puni Dandavata Karatado Bhai. Now both of them, Ramchandraji and Lakshmanji, they also prostrated at the feet of whom? One, yes, Vishwamitraji, other to the parent, to the father. Dekhindrapati ura sukuna sabha samai. And Dasharatji, he was overpowered by all kinds of positive emotions. Sutahiya lai dusaha dukha bete. He hugged both the sons, Ramchandraji and Lakshmanji, and you know what? At that particular time, he realized what is the pang of separation, and who was actually suffering for a long period with the pangs of separation, suddenly saw his two beautiful sons, and that moment, all that pain, all that suffering, disturbance, frustration, it may be there probably, if at all any, all that vanished, and his heart was filled with joy. Mritaka Sharira Prana Janu Bhete. It appeared as though a dead body was given fresh life. It was restored. The life was restored. Punibasishta pada siratina naye. Again, Ram and Lakshmanji went and offered prayers to Vashishtaji, the Kula Guru of Janaka Maharaj, of Mithila Nagari. Vasishta, they made, both of them went and prostrated. Prema mudita muni barauralaye. Even Vashishtaji embraced them with prema mudita, lot of pure love. This love, whatever we describe is not even 0.00000001% of the true love which all of them are experiencing. Biprabhunda bande dubhai. Then they saluted, both Ramchandraji and Lakshmanji saluted to all the Brahmanas. Viprabhunda, Bunda means a group. They prostrated to all of them, maybe together, one prostration to all of them. Manabhavati asi sepai. And in turn, all the Brahmanas, they must have blessed Shatamanam Bhavati. Like that, one big shloka they must have told, and some Veda mantra probably which gives lot of blessings they must have chanted. Bharata Sahanuja Kini Pranama. Bharata now comes forward and he greets Ramchandraji. Bharata and Shatrughna, Ramchandraji and Lakshmanji, two of them meet the other two and they exchange greetings. How else will they exchange greetings? They went and first prostrated to Ramchandraji. Liye uthai lai Rama. When they went and prostrated to Ramchandraji, Ramchandraji lifted them and then hugged them. Harashe Lakhana dekhi do bhrata. Lakshmana was so delighted to see Bharata and Shatrughna. Mile prema paripurita gata. He embraced again all of them. And then what? That heart throb was so fast, it seems. Paripurita gata. पुरजन परिजन जाति जन जाचक मंत्री मीत मिले जथा विधि सबहि प्रभु परम कृपाल विनीत. Bhagavan went and met all of them and expressed his love according to the expression what can be given to them. Appropriately, he expressed his love, his joy to everybody. Some list is given: citizens, naturally everybody is included, attendants, meaning what? Even those people who are supposed to be in the lower class, kinsmen, including beggars, yachaka. Please see, that is the love of Bhagavan towards everybody in life. Continuing. राम ही देखी बरात जुड़ानी प्रीति की रीति न जाति बखानी नृप समीप सोहहि सुतचारी जनु धन धर्मादिक तनुधारी सुतन समेत दशरथ ही देखी मुदित नगर नर नारी विशेषी सुमन बरिसि सुरहन ही निशाना नाक नटी नाचहि करि गाना सतानंद अरु विप्र सचिव गण मागध सूत विदुष बंदी जन सहित बरात रावु सनमाना आय सुमागी फिरे अगवाना प्रथम बरात लगन ते आई ताते पुर प्रमोदु अधिकाई ब्रह्मानंदु लोग सब लहई बड़हु दिवस निसि विधि सन कहीं राम सीय शोभा अवधि सुकृत अवधि दोउ राज जहाँ तहाँ पुरजन कहीं अस मिली नर नारी समाज सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भय सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. राम ही देखी बरात जुड़ानी प्रीति की रीति न जाति बखानी. When Ramchandra ji saw the guests, it was so soothing, both for Ramchandra ji and for every single person there. He saw them with so much of love that they could feel that love in them. Preeti ki reet na jani bakhani, that exchange of love, na jati bakhani, it is inexplicable, it is beyond all description. Nripasami paso hahi sutachari, janu dhana dharamadika tanudhari. When people saw the 4 sons of Dasharatha near him, they thought they are nothing but incarnation of the Chaturvidha Phala Purushartha, Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha. Dharmartha Kama Moksha has taken the form of Rama Lakshmana Bharata Shatrughna in front of Raja Dasharatha. Sutana Sameta Darasatahi Dekhi. Now, when again seeing along with Dasharatha and sons, Mudita Nagara Nara Nari Biseshi, the entire city, the citizens of Janakpuri, all of them were greatly delighted beyond measure. I am also struggling sometimes to express, I fail to find the words because that joy is so inexplicable. Anyway, I will try my best. Sumana barisi sura hanahi nisana. The gods, all the devatas, now again rained flowers at all of them. Nakanati nachahi karigana. The women of the heaven, they started dancing, singing, playing some instruments. Satananda arubipra sachivagana. Shatananji, the Kulaguru of Janakpuri, think, and all other Brahmanas, the ministers, everybody, all of them were so happy. And all the Bandijana, Magada Suta Bidusha Bandijana, all of them were delighted. Sahita Bharata Ravu Sanamana Ayasu Magi Phire Agavana. Now, all those reception committee members, I am using this term because we understand that. Otherwise, probably they would have used a different name for that group of people who are deputed to take care of the guests. All of them, now they felt that they have done their job properly. They prostrated to King Dasharatha and to all of them, and they went back. They returned with Dasharatha's permission. Prathama Bharata Laganate Ai. Now the bridegroom's party have arrived one day earlier to the marriage. Alright. Tate Pura Pramodu Adhikai. It was a great rejoicing experience in this city for everybody. Brahmananduloga Sabalahi. Everybody, as though experienced that Brahmananda, that was the level of their joy. Transcendental bliss, ecstasy. Badahu divasa nisi bidhi sana kahi. Now, the creator, Brahmaji, all of them prayed to him. What? Divasa nisi badahu. All of them prayed to Brahmaji and said, please increase the duration of days and nights so that we will be able to be with them for longer period. Let the days not fly away. They prayed to all of them. All of them did not want the others to go also. They want to be with them for all time to come. Ramusiya Sobha Avadhi Sukrita Avadhi Dovuraja. Ramchandraji and Sitaji are perfection of beauty, incarnation of beauty. What do you call it as? Embodiment of beauty. Sukrita Avadhi Dovuraja. At the same time, Dasharatha and Janaka, Dovuraja, are embodiment of all kinds of virtues. How beautiful. Jaha taha purajana kahi asa. Everywhere the purajana, the people in the city, all of them seem to be talking the same thing. Everybody's experience were the same. So now everybody is in bliss. We will leave them. We will allow them to enjoy for some more time, and then we will see tomorrow what is the next POA, plan of action, that is being planned from here. All right. Please forgive me for my, this vocabulary which is overpowered by the emotion I have towards Ramchandraji and the entire family. All right. Siyavar Ramachandra ki jai, Pavan Sutta Hanuman ki jai, Umapati Mahadev ki jai, Bolo Bhai Sab Santan ki jai, Shri Sadgurunath Maharaj ki jai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. हरिः ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।